Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar T. Vadivel. I am a board-certified periodontist. I want to talk to you about the damage that coffee stains can cause on your teeth. There is no doubt that coffee is America's best-loved drink in the morning. It gets you going, helps you stay awake through the day, and it helps many people feel more relaxed and alert. Coffee stains teeth because of the tannins in it. This is the same compound that is also in red wine, tea, and blueberries. A substance in the tannin enables colors to stick to your teeth better, discoloring them. In addition to staining your teeth and turning them yellow, coffee and tea also help your teeth to decay faster. The bacteria in your mouth turn sugars into an acid that erodes the enamel on your teeth. Coffee is also an acid that further works on your teeth's enamel. After a while, if you do not take good care of your teeth with regular brushing and flossing, you will develop sensitive teeth and cavities. This will be promoted further by the fact that coffee is a diuretic, which means it helps you eliminate water out of your body, and it leads to dry mouth. You can still drink your coffee and keep your teeth whiter longer by following some simple steps. Start by drinking your coffee with a straw, which keeps the coffee away from your teeth. You can also sip water after drinking it, and then you also want to drink it quickly, and not sip on it all day. If your teeth are already stained, you can see your dentist for teeth whitening, and get them much whiter than you could with store-bought products.